Shingles Madison Heights is crucial for extending the lifespan of your roof. Regular roof maintenance. Madison Heights ensures that your shingle roof remains in top condition, preventing costly repairs down the line. Our reliable roof maintenance Madison Heights services include thorough inspections and timely repairs to keep your roof in excellent shape. Roof replacement. Madison Heights is a significant investment, and choosing the right roofing contractor Madison Heights is essential. Our top roofing contractor, Madison Heights MI, offers affordable roof replacement Madison Heights MI, ensuring you get the best value for your money. We specialize in asphalt shingles Madison Heights, providing durable and long-lasting solutions for your home. Emergency roofing Madison Heights services are available 24/7 to address any urgent roofing needs. Our emergency roofing services Madison Heights MI are designed to provide quick and efficient solutions to prevent further damage. Trust our roof restoration professionals Madison Heights MI to handle any emergency roofing situation with expertise and care. Shingles Madison Heights is a vital part of maintaining your roof's integrity. Our comprehensive roof inspection Madison Heights MI services identify potential issues before they become major problems. With our roof damage assessment Madison Heights MI, you can rest assured that your roof is in good hands. Shingle installation Madison Heights is a specialized service that requires expertise and precision. Our professional shingle installation Madison Heights MI team ensures that your shingle roof installation Madison Heights is done correctly and efficiently. We are the shingle roof installation experts Madison Heights MI you can rely on for quality workmanship. Roof leak repair Madison Heights is essential for preventing water damage to your home. Our roof leak specialists Madison Heights MI are skilled in identifying and repairing leaks quickly. With our roof waterproofing solutions Madison Heights MI, you can protect your home from water intrusion and extend the life of your roof. Residential roofing Madison Heights and commercial roofing Madison Heights require different approaches and expertise. Our residential roofing solutions, Madison Heights MI and commercial roofing experts, Madison Heights MI provide tailored services to meet your specific needs. Whether you need a new roof or repairs, we have the experience to deliver exceptional results. Shingles Madison Heights is necessary when your roof shingles. Madison Heights are damaged or worn out. Our shingle replacement services. Madison Heights MI offer a cost-effective solution to restore your roof's appearance and functionality. Trust our shingle roof repair specialists. Madison Heights MI for all your shingle replacement needs. Roof repair services. Madison Heights are essential for maintaining the safety and comfort of your home. Our roof repair experts Madison Heights MI provide prompt and efficient services to address any roofing issues. As a trusted roofing company, Madison Heights MI, we are committed to delivering quality roofing services Madison Heights MI.